Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this hover effect animation which draws a line or a dot becomes line through the navigation or menu. So let's begin. Here for this tutorial I'm using CodePen, so let's open another pen. Let's start with the HTML. Now eight times 4. The first one will be home, about, projects and contact. Here on CodePen, you know, there's browser on the right side and your code editor on the left side. So here our result in the browser. Now let's open CSS. You know, by default browsers give some extra margin and padding to HTML elements, so let's remove them using global selector, which is a star or asterisk in your keyboard. So let's remove margin, set margin to 0 and padding to 0, box sizing to border box. See, it's removed. Now let's start with the navigation and give it some padding. Hopefully you can see the code. And also let's give body a background, a hex color of DF E6 E9, which is a nice light dark gray color or light gray color. Now let's start the links. First, let's remove text decoration and set it to none. Now see, there is no line under each link. Set color to text color of 35 and let's set font size to 25 pixels. Padding for top and bottom 0, for right and left 20 pixels, because we want some space in between the links. And let's set position to relative, because see these dot lines, these are pseudo selector or pseudo class, and we will position it using absolute position, so that's why we are setting position to relative for links. Now on hover, nothing still happens. Now let's put these dots here, which will become line. So let's create those dots or lines with pseudo class before. Remember, if you want to style, you have to set the content 20. Now let's give it width and height of 5 pixels and set background color to 3 2s. Set position to absolute. Left 0 and top 50%. I made a mistake here. I said position relative. Okay. See, now you can see the dots. So transform translate x to -50% because we want it to be centered perfectly, and let's set border radius to 50% so the squares become circles. See, now they are circles, and the last thing we want to is add transition, because when we hover we want it to play in 2.5 seconds. Or 0.25 seconds or 200 milliseconds. Now on hover nothing still happens because we haven't added the hover effect. So now hover. So when we hover on the navigation, we want the dots to animate, which width becomes 90% and height 1 pixel. So let's see. Okay, it's not working because now however now it should work, but it's still not working. Okay, it's not working the way I expected. Because I don't know, I did exactly the same as previous one. Oh, it was translate y. I used translate x, that's why it removed them. So that's it for this video. I'll share this pen and I'll save this pen and share the code, the link to this pen on the description box or comment section of this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time, man.